How to make money online. There are many ways to make money online, some of which require a significant amount of time and effort, while others are relatively easy and passive. Here are some of the most popular ways to earn money online. 1. Online surveys. Companies are always looking for consumer opinions, and you can make money by taking online surveys for these companies. Some popular survey websites include SurveyJunkie, Swagbucks, and Telluna. 2. Freelancing. If you have a particular skill or talent, you can make money by offering your services as a freelancer. Popular freelancing platforms include Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer. 3. Online tutoring. If you have expertise in a particular subject, you can earn money by teaching others online. Websites such as TutorMe and Chegg allow you to set your own rates and schedule. 4. Selling products online. You can start an online store and sell products on platforms like Amazon, Etsy, and Shopify. This can be a great way to turn a hobby into a business. 5. Affiliate marketing. This is a type of performance-based marketing where you promote a product or service and earn a commission for each sale made through your referral link. 6. Content creation. You can make money by creating and sharing content on platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. You can monetize your content through ads, sponsorships, and merchandise sales. 7. Blogging. You can start a blog and make money through advertising, affiliate marketing, and sponsored posts. 8. Online trading. You can make money by buying and selling stocks, cryptocurrencies, or other assets online. 9. Online gambling. You can make money by gambling online, but it's important to remember that this is a high-risk activity and you should only do it if you can afford to lose the money you're gambling with. 10. Online lending and investment platforms. Platforms such as Lending Club, Prosper, and Robinhood allow you to invest money in various types of loans or stocks, and earn interest or dividends on your investment. It's important to remember that making money online takes time, effort, and patience. It's also important to research and understand the risks and potential rewards of each opportunity before investing your time or money. Please consider subscribing and liking this video. Research and understand the risks and potential rewards of each opportunity before investing your time or money.